Hello everyone, hello YouTube, and welcome to another video. In this video I want to introduce my new show to you, VTuber Cos Works. In this series we're gonna build cosplay props and cosplay armor together. And there will also be some tutorial videos where I teach you in depth how to do certain things in cosplay. So for example, how to do a bracer, a shoulder pelt run, or a cosplay sword for your next cosplay. So let me quickly introduce myself to all the people that are new here on the stream, and then I also want to talk a little bit about my cosplay accomplishments and the things I already did and accomplished in cosplay community. For the people that are new, my name is Hasuke and I'm an independent German VTuber. And also cosplayer, of course. Yeah, I normally do videos in German on my Twitch and YouTube channel, mostly things regarding the Digimon TCG, or some art streams, drawing streams, and also karaoke streams. Yeah, but now I also decided to do some cosplay videos. I'm cosplaying since 2009, so right now I'm cosplaying for over 12 years and I've got quite a lot of experience in the last few years. I did far over 50 cosplays. At some point I just stopped counting all the costumes and cosplays I did, so I don't really know if it's 50, 60, 70, 80 or even more. I really lost track of that. I also did 4 complete cosplay armors, so I also have some experience on building cosplay armors with different materials. I also did over 25 props. I think it should be around 30 right now. And most of them were cosplay weapons like swords, axes, guns, and so on. And my biggest accomplishments in the cosplay community were I was a finalist in 2011 and 2030 at the Deutsche Cosplay Meisterschaft in Frankfurt on the book fair. It was a really big accomplishment to made it this far and were on the stage with so many awesome people. Then in 2014 and 2015 I also participated in the European Cosplay Gathering, but sadly I never made it to the finals, and yeah, because I couldn't win one of the qualifiers for that. Then in 2015 I also was a cosplayer at the Gamescom at Ubisoft and was there to represent Ubisoft's new Assassin's Creed Black Flag at that time. Then my only international cosplay experience is I was a guest cosplayer at the Comic-Con 91 in Japan. It was a really big accomplishment for me because it was my first time really being somewhere else, not in Germany, as a cosplayer. And I'm really glad that I got the chance to be in a cosplay at a convention in Japan. Yeah, with all that talking about myself, now I want to talk a little bit about what you can expect from the show and what we are going to do in the show. I want to do some cosplay 101 tutorials, some of them on the live stream, some of them on YouTube videos. Then there will also be crafting tutorials here on YouTube, and armor and prop live builds on my Twitch stream. Yeah, the Cosplay 101 tutorials will cover some cosplay basic things like which materials there are, which material to use for which tools you really need, which tools are nice to have, and how you can use the tools in different ways, and also some basic cosplay techniques you can use to build armor and props relatively easy, and how I do things in general, how I plan my cosplays and how I work on them. Yeah, the shows regarding the Cosplay 101 will be most likely one stream, one video on my YouTube once a month. And then I also will do some live builds once a week on my Twitch account. Every Tuesday 6 PM GMT we will start building Wolf's Gravestone from Genshin Impact. One of my newest cosplays was a Diluc from Genshin Impact, so now I really want to build a good prop for him. And I decided to build Wolf's Gravestone live on stream with all of you together. So I would be really happy if you would tune in on my Twitch stream. It will be, as I said, each Tuesday 6 PM GMT. Yeah, that's everything I really wanted to talk about in this little video. I hope to see some of you on my live streams starting next week Tuesday. And I also really hope you like my tutorials videos I'm going to upload on YouTube. If you have any questions or any things you want to know or want me to focus on more, please let a comment down on my videos or just hop in on my live streams and feel free to ask as many questions as you want. Okay, that was everything I wanted to talk about in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you a really nice day and a really nice weekend, and I hope to see some of you in my next videos. With that said, goodbye. Bye bye.